Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Jeff here at 162 Customizing. We're doing a little mail call here. I already know what's inside. I haven't opened it, but I broke the plastic handle on there. Ordered a new one. Here it is. Let's take a look inside. Sorry I'm so dirty. I've been working all day putting this carport together. You'll see some video of that soon. So, here's the new latch. It's in the box. New plastic piece. Oh good. I get them both. I get them both. That's cool. Let's get rid of this. Look at that, brand new one. I was worried about the other one. Really, looks like I even get brand new bolts too. Unless I'm mistaken here. No, I'm mistaken. But I still have my old ones. Oh, that looks heckin' nice. Got the clips I needed too. It's perfect. So next, you'll see me installing it.